Imagine a massive facility rising from the middle of the desert. Yet what's being created inside is accelerating the future of the entire world. We're talking about Tesla's largest factory, Gigafactory Texas. From the outside, it may look like just another enormous building, but step inside and you'll be amazed by what's happening within its walls. This isn't an ordinary assembly plant. It's Elon Musk's vision brought to life. More than just cars are produced here. Cutting-edge technology is born here every single day. From the Cybertruck to the Model Y, some of Tesla's most advanced vehicles roll off the lines at incredible speed. In fact, a new car can be completed in roughly 40 seconds. And that's only the beginning. Inside the factory, hundreds of robots work around the clock, 24/7, without breaks, without fatigue, and without slowing down. Even more impressive, the factory is designed to manage itself. Elon Musk calls it the future of manufacturing. When you look at satellite images of the facility, it feels less like a factory and more like something out of a science fiction movie. But this isn't fiction. It's reality. Every corner of Gigafactory Texas signals that Tesla is no longer just a car company, it's becoming a technological powerhouse. So let's step inside and explore what's being built here that could reshape the entire auto industry in the years to come. Before we dive deeper, make sure to subscribe to stay updated with the latest in technology. When buying a car, most of us focus on its design, range, and features. But have you ever wondered where and how these vehicles are actually made? Inside Tesla's Gigafactory Texas, the view feels like the set of a Hollywood sci-fi film. You'll notice something unusual: fewer humans and more machines. And not just ordinary machines, intelligent systems that operate continuously, thinking, adapting, and running non-stop. Let's start with one of the factory's greatest strengths, the Gigapress. The name itself sounds powerful, and it truly is. This is one of the heaviest casting machines in the world, capable of applying up to 10,000 tons of pressure. To put that into perspective, an average elephant weighs about 5 tons. That means this machine can exert the force of around 2,000 elephants at once. Its purpose is revolutionary. Instead of assembling dozens of smaller parts and welding them together to form a car's frame, the Gigapress creates large structural sections in a single cast. This not only strengthens the vehicle, but also dramatically reduces production time. Then there are the AI-powered robotic arms. As you walk through the factory, you'll see long mechanical arms moving with incredible precision. These robots are fully programmed to lift components, weld joints, and even paint vehicles flawlessly. They don't tire, they don't lose focus, and their speed makes human effort seem slow in comparison. What makes them even more impressive is their ability to learn. If an error occurs, the system analyzes it and automatically adjusts to prevent it from happening again. Over time, the process becomes smarter and more efficient. Humans still play an essential role, but in a more specialized way. Engineers and technicians monitor the robots, analyze performance data, and handle tasks that require extremely fine control. However, as automation continues to evolve, the factory is moving closer to a future where human involvement may be focused mainly on supervision and optimization. One of the most astonishing aspects of Gigafactory Texas is that it operates 24/7. Day or night, weekday or weekend, it never shuts down. There's no traditional shift bell ringing. Instead, the entire system runs on sensors, advanced software, and AI-driven algorithms. If a machine encounters a problem, the system detects it instantly, sends alerts, and can even activate backup systems automatically. In many ways, it functions like a self-healing factory. Every section of the plant is connected through data. Machines communicate with each other, systems monitor performance in real time, and decisions are made in milliseconds. It's a living, breathing ecosystem of technology, constantly producing, constantly improving. Gigafactory Texas isn't just building cars, it's redefining how the world manufactures them. This means that every movement, the condition of every component, and each step of the production process is constantly monitored and recorded. Because of this real-time data tracking, quality stays high, and any defect is detected immediately. That's one of the key reasons Tesla vehicles have become known for their reliability. Another impressive feature inside the plant is the use of AGVs, automated guided vehicles. These are small robotic carriers that transport materials from one area to another. No one drives them. They navigate on their own, recognize routes, stop when needed, take turns smoothly, and even manage traffic flow inside the factory. Honestly, Gigafactory Texas represents a rare combination of advanced technology and large-scale production. Here, Elon Musk's vision is clearly taking shape, a future where car manufacturing isn't just manual labor, but a fully automated, intelligent process. Looking at this factory, one thing becomes clear. Tesla isn't just building cars anymore. It's designing the blueprint for the future of industry. If you ever drive along the Colorado River in Austin, Texas, you'll notice a massive box-shaped structure stretching across the landscape. At first glance, it's hard to tell what it is, but once you learn that it's Tesla's largest factory, Gigafactory Texas, you realize how extraordinary it is. The facility is enormous. Around 15 football fields could easily fit inside it. Yes, 15. When Tesla opened this factory, it didn't do so quietly. Elon Musk called the launch event Cyber Rodeo. It felt more like a rock concert than a factory inauguration. LED lights, music, a Cybertruck showcase, and thousands of excited attendees. The world was watching, and understandably so. When one of the world's most talked-about car companies unveils a factory of this scale, it's bound to make headlines. But why was such a massive factory necessary? Didn't Tesla already have production plants? Yes, it did. But Elon Musk isn't just focused on making cars, he's focused on building a smarter system. His goal is to scale car manufacturing the way smartphones are produced, fast, precise, and in massive volumes. His larger vision is clear, a future where electric cars are affordable, durable, and accessible to everyone. To achieve that, Tesla needed a facility capable of producing vehicles at incredible speed, one every few seconds. That vision led to the creation of Gigafactory Texas. This plant wasn't built simply to manufacture cars. It was designed to become the fastest and smartest factory in the world. And when we say fast, we mean it. A Tesla Model Y can be completed roughly every 40 seconds. That's not an exaggeration, it's reality. Achieving that kind of speed is only possible when technology outperforms humans at nearly every stage of production. Elon Musk has described it as the machine that builds the machine. In other words, the factory itself is a masterpiece of advanced engineering. He wanted car production to feel almost magical, and Gigafactory Texas is the foundation of that vision. This facility isn't just a milestone for Tesla, it's a challenge to the entire global auto industry. While many manufacturers are upgrading old plants, Tesla built this one from the ground up using a completely new approach. That's why Gigafactory Texas is often called the factory of the future. So the next time you see a Tesla on the road, don't think of it as just another electric vehicle. It's the result of a manufacturing revolution, born inside that massive structure rising from the Texas desert. And there's more happening inside those walls. The factory is now producing 4,680 battery cells, an innovation considered a major game changer in electric vehicle technology. Next, let's explore which vehicles are being built at Gigafactory Texas and how these 4,680 battery cells are manufactured. Let's start with the Model Y, Tesla's best-selling SUV. It was one of the first vehicles produced at Gigafactory, Texas. With a design that appeals to both families and younger drivers, the Model Y combines practicality with modern style. At this factory, it's built using advanced technologies and massive robotic systems like the Gigapress, which improve structural strength while dramatically speeding up production. Now let's talk about the vehicle the entire world had been waiting for, the Cybertruck. When Elon Musk first unveiled it, many people thought it looked like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its sharp-edged design, ultra-hard stainless steel body, and claimed bullet-resistant exterior stunned audiences everywhere. The first Cybertruck deliveries began right here at Gigafactory, Texas. A dedicated production line was created specifically for the Cybertruck because of its unique stainless steel exoskeleton. Unlike traditional vehicle bodies, it requires a completely different processing method and specialized manufacturing technology. Next is the Tesla Semi, the company's all-electric commercial truck. Designed to transform long-distance transportation, the Semi represents a major shift for the logistics industry. It is also being developed and prepared at Gigafactory, Texas, using advanced materials and AI-driven manufacturing processes. This vehicle has the potential to bring a true electric revolution to freight and cargo transport. Another highly anticipated project is the Tesla Model 2, often described as Elon Musk's dream of creating a truly affordable electric car. This upcoming model is expected to target the mass market, with an estimated price range of around $10,000 to $15,000. If launched at that price point, it could make electric vehicles mainstream across the globe. But behind all of these vehicles lies the real hero, the 4680 battery cell. This isn't just another battery, it's Tesla's next-generation power source. The 4680 cells are being manufactured at large scale inside Gigafactory, Texas. Compared to the smaller battery cells Tesla previously used, the 4680 is larger, more energy-dense, and more efficient. It delivers greater power while using fewer individual components. One major advantage of this battery is increased driving range. Vehicles equipped with 4,680 cells can travel longer distances on a single charge. Another benefit is faster charging, which reduces the amount of time drivers need to spend at charging stations. And perhaps most importantly, these batteries are designed to last longer, maintaining performance over many years. There's also a cost advantage. Because the 4680 cell uses fewer materials and components while delivering higher output, it lowers overall production costs. This means Tesla could potentially offer more affordable vehicles in the future. For competing automakers, that's a serious challenge. Gigafactory, Texas is no longer just a car factory. It's a place where the vehicles of the future and the batteries of the future are being developed side by side. All of this is happening in an environment so automated and technologically advanced that it almost feels like a robotic city, constantly offering a glimpse of what tomorrow might look like. Now consider the scale. Imagine a factory capable of producing more than 2 million cars every year. At that point, it's not just a manufacturing plant. It becomes a force that can reshape the entire automotive industry. That's exactly what Gigafactory, Texas is aiming to do. Production here isn't just fast, it operates at an entirely different level. Elon Musk has set a target of producing 2 million vehicles annually from this single facility. That means 2 million people each year could drive away in a new Tesla, equipped with technology that's years ahead of many competitors. And this isn't just an ambitious idea on paper. The factory's size, production speed, and advanced AI systems are steadily turning that goal into reality. As a result, it's not only boosting Tesla's sales, it's keeping the entire global auto industry on edge. Companies that once believed Tesla was only building cars for the wealthy are now realizing that the company is moving aggressively into the mass market, and doing it fast. Automakers like Ford, GM, Toyota, and Volkswagen have begun reshaping their electric vehicle strategies in response. Many are even trying to replicate Tesla's factory model, but they've come to understand that what Elon Musk has built is more than just a car brand. It's an innovation powerhouse. Through Gigafactory Texas, Musk has demonstrated that he isn't simply a businessman. He's someone trying to design the future. He has reimagined manufacturing itself, showing that building cars can be as fast, scalable, and streamlined as developing software. This mindset has pushed traditional automakers to rethink outdated systems and embrace new ideas. So the big question is, will Gigafactory Texas help Tesla become the world's #1 car company? The answer could very well be yes, and perhaps even more than that. Tesla is no longer focused solely on vehicles. The company is deeply involved in battery technology, robotics, artificial intelligence, energy systems, and autonomous driving. Gigafactory Texas has effectively become the command center for this broader mission. Tesla vehicles today don't just run on electricity instead of fuel. They run on data. Every second, performance data is analyzed to make the cars smarter and more efficient. This data-driven approach is one reason why legacy automakers like Ford and GM are forming partnerships, seeking subsidies, and rapidly adjusting their strategies to compete. Meanwhile, Musk continues to push forward. His next goal is clear: produce the highest number of vehicles at the lowest possible price while offering the most advanced technology. Gigafactory Texas is the ideal foundation for that ambition. From this single location, Tesla is building cars not just for the United States, but for global markets, including Europe, Asia, and beyond. Looking at Gigafactory Texas, one thing becomes obvious. The auto industry is no longer just competing on brand, it's competing on technological leadership. And right now, Tesla is ahead in that race. In the future, when people see affordable, high-tech Tesla vehicles on the road, they may not even think about where they were built. They'll simply recognize them as cars of the next era. And that era is being shaped every day, every hour, every second inside Gigafactory Texas. When most people think of massive factories, they imagine smoke, noise, and pollution. But Gigafactory Texas challenges that image. It doesn't just produce cars, it represents a new model for how large-scale industry can work in harmony with nature. Elon Musk has long believed that sustainability shouldn't stop at electric vehicles. The manufacturing process itself must also be environmentally responsible. From the very beginning, Gigafactory Texas was designed with that goal in mind. Minimal carbon emissions, maximum energy efficiency, and a strong focus on green spaces. The massive solar panel installations on the roof help power the facility. Imagine a factory of this size generating a significant portion of its own electricity. In addition, advanced water recycling systems dramatically reduce waste, and green areas surrounding the plant help maintain environmental balance in the region. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, and Gigafactory Texas serves as a living example of that commitment. It proves that technology and environmental responsibility don't have to compete. When guided by the right vision, they can move forward together. Of course, building such a facility wasn't without challenges. One of the first major decisions was choosing the right location. Elon Musk wanted a site that offered strong logistical advantages, reliable access to electricity and water, and supportive government policies for the EV industry. Austin, Texas turned out to be the perfect location for the factory. It offered strong logistics, access to resources, and a supportive environment for the EV industry. But acquiring the land and securing government approvals was far from simple. Then came one of the toughest periods in recent history, the global pandemic. The world slowed down, supply chains were disrupted, people stayed home, construction projects everywhere were paused. But work on Gigafactory Texas did not stop. Elon Musk made it clear, we are not stopping. Safety zones were created for workers, shifts were reorganized, and technology was used to keep operations moving forward. Despite global challenges, construction continued. Gigafactory Texas is more than just a building. It sends a message that when the vision is big enough, obstacles don't seem impossible. It's not only producing the cars of the future, it's building a system designed to support a more sustainable planet. And now, Gigafactory Texas is doing something even bigger. It's not just producing cars anymore. It's giving life to robots. So far, we've seen it as a high-tech vehicle manufacturing plant. But today, it's evolving into something more, a laboratory for the future. The biggest example of that is Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus. Optimus isn't just another machine. It's a human-shaped robot designed to learn and perform tasks like people do. Testing and development are happening right inside Gigafactory Texas. Tesla's tech teams are working around the clock to make this robot intelligent enough to assist in factory operations and eventually in homes and offices. Elon Musk has said this is only the beginning. His vision is for Optimus to become a helpful partner to humans, handling repetitive, boring, or dangerous tasks, and gradually becoming part of everyday life. Texas is no longer just a car factory. It has become a future-focused innovation hub. Sensors are placed throughout the facility. Machines constantly send data. AI-driven software analyzes and improves processes in real time. The technology that once focused only on vehicles is now expanding into robotics. Tesla engineers are training Optimus to walk independently, maintain balance, pick up objects, interact with machines, and even make decisions on its own. Think about the tasks humans perform in factories today. Lifting items, tightening screws, pressing buttons. In the future, robots like Optimus could handle these responsibilities. And unlike traditional machines, Optimus is being designed as a thinking system, capable of learning and adapting. Musk believes that artificial intelligence and robotics will become some of the most important technologies in the world. And instead of developing them in isolated research labs, Tesla is testing and refining them in a real working environment like Gigafactory Texas. That's why major tech companies such as Apple, Google, and Amazon are watching closely. Tesla isn't just building products, it's building an AI-powered ecosystem. In the future, cars may drive themselves, robots may assist in homes, and factories may operate with minimal human involvement. When that happens, people might look back and say the foundation of that shift was laid at Gigafactory Texas. So will these robots remain limited to factories? Probably not. Elon Musk's dream is for every household to one day have an Optimus robot, just as smartphones became common in nearly every home. The goal is to create a smart assistant that makes daily life easier. And this vision may not be as distant as it sounds. The first-generation Optimus models are already under development and testing. As the technology improves and production scales up, costs are expected to decrease, much like what happened with mobile phones over time. So the next time someone asks what Tesla's Gigafactory Texas produces, don't just say cars, say it produces the future. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments. Would you want a Tesla robot in your home? And what topic should we cover next? See you in the next episode. Until then, stay connected with technology and the future.